federal judges and the prosecution take a look at something called the federal sentencing guidelines. And the judge is required to take those guideline recommendations into account when constructing a sentence. It used to be 20-something years ago, you might be looking at an average sentence for possession of child pornography for 20 months or less. Now the average sentence in 2016 is 118 months. It's a huge difference, and it's all because of these sentencing guideline recommendations. Congress has taken a very tough stance on possession of child pornography. And of course, the sentencing guidelines are draconian. There are enhancements for everything. If you have 600 images or more on your hard drive, it's a 5-point mandatory enhancement. On a first offense with someone with no criminal history, who's never been in trouble before, the maximum range is 10 years. Those guidelines with those enhancements can put you right up to that maximum range right out of the gate. So it's incredibly important to ensure that you get someone who does child pornography cases, that can argue these cases to the court, and that can construct a good sentencing memorandum and argue as to why these mandatory enhancements should not apply in your case. Because that's what it comes down to, is a lot of sentencing mitigation. And it is worth the time and the expense to get the right attorney involved when you're talking 10 years in prison. And it's a big deal on the federal side.